on, everybody? It's Coach here. Untouchables 2.0. It's been a long time, but we back at it today. Every day at Untouchables is a special day, but today is especially special, as today we are going to get my dad's 1969 Super B and begin the process of restoring it. Been waiting for probably about 4 years. Process is going to include Untouchable Customs and Blow Me Racing. Guys over there, Chris and Kenny, do great mechanical, paint, body work, customization, you name it. They specialize in Mopars, but they do all cars. So we got Deuce coming over to pick up the B, and we're gonna get it over to the garage and start the breakdown process. So stay tuned. So we're here. As you can see, the B is right there. About to get it uncovered, and Deuce should be on his way shortly. So I got to get the car off the dollies, get the quarters out the way, and she should roll. Or my bad, he should roll. His name is Jock. Okay, I name all of my cars after my favorite TV show, Dallas. For those of you who remember Dallas from back in the 80s, late 70s, early 80s. I name all of my cars after a character on the show. So, you know, as all of you remember, or maybe you don't, Jock was the dad. He was the head of the household. He was the breadwinner. He was the everything. So that's the B. The B is everything. My dad sold his car in 1993. He sold it exactly with what you see here. Rabbit's foot, keys, Chrysler emblem, and 28 years later, 29, how many ever it is, keys are still in the car. So here comes Deuce, here to pick up old Jock. It's been a long time, and I must say I'm a little nervous about it, but we're gonna make it happen. So it's gonna be a long process, gonna be long days, but there's a reason for it, and that's the reason we're doing it. Stay tuned. That's all for now, folks. So it's about midnight or close to it, and I'm done for the day. But show you a little bit of what we did today. Or took the headliner out, took the sail panels out, took all the metal trim around up top. Vacuumed the doors. The doors, like I say, this car sat outside for 24 years, so there were definitely some people living in it. Not people, but rodents. So vacuumed both the doors out. Both doors are clean on the inside. So far, it appears it doesn't look like I'm gonna need door skins, but we'll see. Did a lot of vacuuming, but like I say, got all that cleaned up. And you know, the reason that it takes me so long is because I'm bagging and tagging everything. Okay, so if you want to take a look, right here, got my Ziploc bags. Okay, I'm bagging and tagging every single thing, all the screws. Got a long way to go with that, but so this stuff's time consuming, but we'll get it done. So back at it tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Later.